Look at this, a Windows RDP with internet speeds reaching 4 to 5 gigabytes per second. And check out these specs, 16 gigabytes of RAM powered by an Intel processor. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Google Chrome and search for Google Skills Boost. Click on the very first result that appears. This is the platform we'll be using to get our free RDP. It's completely legitimate and provided by Google themselves. Once you're on the Google Skills Boost homepage, look for the Join button and click it. Now, sign up using your Gmail account. It's quick and straightforward. You'll need to enter your date of birth, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and you're in. After logging in, click on Explore Catalog at the top of the page. In the search bar, type Virtual Machine. Now, pay attention here. You want to click on the second option or look for a lab titled something like Explore Cost Optimization to GKE Virtual Machines. Open the lab page and click Start Lab. Good news, new accounts get free credits. You can launch this lab using just 5 credits, so go ahead and click Launch with Credits. Critical step, the incognito trick. This is super important, so don't skip this part. When you see the Open Google Cloud Console button, do not just click it normally. Instead, right-click on the button and select Open Link in Incognito window. Why? Because the temporary username and password will automatically sign you in. Just click I understand and agree to the terms. No manual login required. In the Google Cloud Console, navigate to Compute Engine and then click on VM Instances. Click the Create Instance button. Now let's customize the hardware for better performance. Under Machine Configuration, change from the default to Standard, then select E2 Standard 4. This gives you 4 vCPUs and 16 gigabytes of memory, perfect for smooth performance. Here's the thing, the default operating system is Debian Linux, but we want Windows. Click on Boot Disk and change it to Windows Server. Select the latest version available. Scroll down to the networking section. Check both boxes to allow HTTP traffic and HTTPS traffic. This ensures you get that blazing fast internet speed. Click Create and wait for the instance to initialize. While we wait, if you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Once your instance is running, you'll see a green check mark. Click the arrow next to RDP and select Set Windows Password. Important warning, do not change the username. Keep it as student. Click Set to generate your password. Copy the generated password immediately and paste it into Notepad or somewhere safe. You'll need this in a moment. Click Download RDP file and save it to your computer. Open the downloaded file, verify that the IP address matches, then enter the password you copied earlier when prompted. Accept the security certificate when it pops up. And we're in. Let me verify the system properties. Yes, 16 gigabytes of RAM confirmed. Now let's test that internet speed, opening a browser inside the RDP and running a speed test. Look at that, hitting 4 gigabytes per second. Absolutely incredible for a free RDP. And the server is hosted in Washington, USA, premium location. One thing you should know, this RDP doesn't have a fixed validity period. It depends on the lab session duration and could close at any time. However, it's completely free, and you can always create a new one following the same steps. And there you have it, your very own free Windows RDP with 16 gigabytes of RAM and lightning-fast internet speeds. No credit card, no payment required. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe for more free tech tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Happy computing!